We are going to live for safety inspection and audit. So for HSE Mindset channel, so today we are going live for the safety inspection and audit. The safety inspection and audit is always a phenomenal one for every HSE professional. So when you are a HSE professional, you must know the difference between the safety audit or safety inspection. So when you are moving as a HSE carrier or safety carrier, you have to think about the daily HSE inspections and the HSE audit. What is the difference between the HSE audit and the HSE inspection? So when it's come to the HSE inspection, it's always experience and also the practices. When you have a practice, you can easily, do the proper inspection and audit. So most of the people, they are not in a position to distinguish between the HSE inspection or audit. So people always think about the inspection, but not thinking about the audit. So audit is entirely is a different process when it's come to the HSE inspection. So people always think about the HSE inspections, not audit. The audit is there is a proper schedule for that. In that schedule, you can easily, make the auditors in a different thinking. So when you have a safety audit, when you have a proper safety audit, then you can easily solve the issues. So the safety audit is always important. So it means so the safety inspection and audit is always in a correlations, but the different type of people they are doing. For example, the safety audit is conducted by the well competitive HSE profession and the auditors. We can say the HSE approved auditors. For example, lead auditors. So this lead auditors, they will do the audit. But when it's come to the inspection, the safety supervisor, safety officers, they themselves do the safety audit, safety inspections. So the safety inspections is a daily phenomena, weekly phenomena, monthly phenomena. There is a report of weekly, daily report, weekly report, monthly report. So this report is from the safety supervisor, safety manager or safety officers. But when it's come to the auditing, it's entirely is external or internal auditing for safety management systems. For example, internal audit is conducted by group of internal auditors in that company. But when it's come to the external audit, is coming from the external agencies. They will come and audit the process. So normally the safety inspections is a purpose to identify, correct the immediate hazards, unsafe conditions. For example, when safety officers going for the any kind of routine checkups, so they have to remove the hazards or unsafe conditions to save the people. So that is the important one. When you are saving the people, when you are removing the hazards, then when you are finding that there is a unsafe conditions in the industries, so the regular observations required. So these regular observations only possible when you are doing the HSE inspections. So these HSE inspections is always vital. So it leads to how you are handling the HSE inspections. So the HSE inspections, the purpose is identifying, correcting the immediate hazards, unsafe conditions. So for example, when safety supervisors or officers, they are going to the site. So they are observing some electrical wires hanging. Some electrical wires loosely fit. So this is the one of the inspections coming under the electrical safety. So there is a checklist. For each location, you have a checklist of the firefighting systems, first aid kit, then whether all doors are accessed, and the proper way of housekeeping is there, and proper PPE is using. So these all inspection done by the HSE supervisor. So in that case, you have to immediately you can correct it, and you can easily finding the unsafe conditions and rectifying. So this is the HSE inspection done by the safety officer, supervisor or manager, whoever it may be. But when it's come to the audit, is totally the safety audit or HSE audit, then it's done by independent auditing person or HSE competent person. So independent agencies means you see the external bodies, external persons, they are coming and auditing your company as a certification audit. We can call it as a certification audit, or there is a surveillance audit. Every year there will be a surveillance audit. Once you got the certificate of ISO 14001 or was this one ISO 45001. So these two standards, environment and safety management systems. ISO 45000 is for ISO 45000 is 1001 is for occupational health and safety management systems. Then ISO 14001 is for environmental management systems. So environmental management system on side. Then ISO 45001 is for occupational health and safety management system. So these two standards, the auditors will come for HSE side. They will audit. Then during the audit, they will find out what are the systems, how the system is working. So that kind of things are there. So the purpose is to assess the effectiveness of the safety system. So effectiveness of safety management system, and then it's also drive the continual improvement. We can call it as a continual improvement. So this purpose is to identify the hazards, immediate danger and hazards, unsafe conditions. So when it's come to this one, the audit side, the auditors will verify the effectiveness of safety management systems, and also you can have whether the system having the continual improvement or not. So these two are the purposes for the inspection and the audit. In this side, you have a safety inspection. There the purpose is just every day you are visiting the workplace locations and finding the hazards, unsafe conditions, and identifying any hazards. But when it's come to the purpose of the auditing side, to identify the effectiveness of system, that is safety management system already in place, or you are going to practice. In that case, they are going to see whether it's effective and there is a chance of seeing the continual improvement. So that is the purpose of the audit side. So one side the HSE officer will do, safety officer, HSE officer will do the safety inspection, but the audit, who will do? The competent HSE professional from outside as an external auditor or internal auditor within the industry. So the auditor course already he completed, he may be internal auditor or he may be lead auditor from external certification body. Then second one is nature. Then what will be the nature? Operational walkthrough on-site observations. So how this HSE inspection will go? Operational. What all the operational activities are going, that operational activities observed by the HSE officer or safety supervisor. He will observe the operations, he just walk through the each and every department and he will observe the what are the things are going around the industry. That observation, he has a checklist of what is what, whether yes or no, or observations, commands. In that comment, whether all the fire extinguishers working good, yes. So one fire extinguisher not working good means no. So the place, same like the first aid having the all the medicines, yes means yes, no, some of the medicines are short or missing. So that you can just as a list, he will do that. HSE officer or supervisor, he will check it and write the things, and then he will make a report of daily, weekly, monthly reports. So the nature is, as I said, operational. But here the audit is a systematic, independent, overall effectiveness. This is maybe they will do quarterly, half-yearly, semi-half-yearly or annual audits. In that audits, they will not do daily. You know, the difference between this inspection and audit, inspection they will not do, inspection they will do regularly, daily basis, but the audit only quarterly, half-yearly, annually. So they will see whether the system effectiveness, how the HSE management system or safety management system are effectively in place in that industry, and also the overall how the safety management placed in that industry. So that they will identify and verify. So that is the nature. Then scope. Then what will be the scope of this safety inspection? The scope is for all equipments or operational areas, or you can say access areas, working areas, then equipments, and then what all there in the industry side. Industrial side, what all equipments are there, what all accessories are there, and what all on-site issues are there, that all inspected by safety supervisor. But what about the scope of the safety auditor is system, the what system is saying, that kind of system wise they will see one by one. That is a standard requirements are there for safety auditing side. So management review, internal audit, and then there are so many classes are there. In that classes wise they will audit. Then operations, then operational control procedures or operational work procedures. So these are then emergency preparedness and response. There are so many classes are there. Based on that they will audit. So here we can say brand. It's a brand created, then system, process, and completed. System, process. How the system, the overall HSE management system, how it goes. These things audited by auditors. So that will be the scope. Then frequency, as I said, it's a regular daily basis. They will do this inspection. But this one, as I said before, quarterly, half yearly, then annual, they will do this audits. Then focus. This focus of inspection is identifies any deviations. Focuses are identifying the any deviation from the system. So normally when a safety officer, supervisor going to the field, they will see any deviation from the system, like the PPE not wearing or people not the hazardous materials are there in a place. So these are the things identify the safety supervisor during the inspection. But what about the focus? Here the focuses are, they will see in the audit side, the focus hazards and always thinks about the continual improvement and then any corrective action requirements. Corrective actions is that they will say improvement potential. They will say improvement potential. Any non-conformity, they will focus on non-compliances and non-conformity. Auditor side, they will see non-conformance because it's a conforming, the system not conforming as per the standard, and also non-conformance and non-conformance, and also there is a system not working as said. So corrective action request they will give. Corrective action request they will give, and also here the non-compliances of standards or rules and regulations. Non-compliances of the standards. What standard? Safety management system standards. So that they will identify, and also they will see corrective actions, these things. So these are the major safety inspection audit differences. So when you are a safety officer or HSE officer or safety manager, you have to distinguish between the safety inspection and the audit. When it comes to the safety inspection, it's better to have a proper knowledge of safety inspection, because the safety inspection is not a simple matter, because when you know what is hazard, what is risk, in that case only you can you can easily observe the things and note down. But the auditor is a highly competent job. The auditors means the standard auditors of IRCA or lead auditors. These auditors check the systems. What kind of system? The system of safety management system. The safety management system, how it works, then how its effectiveness, and what are the non-compliances, and what are the area going to improve, that is called improvement potential, and corrective action request. So these all the things comes under the audit. But when it's come to the inspection, the operation side, regularly the safety supervisor or officer will go to the site and see what are the unsafe conditions or what are the hazards, and how you can rectify the hazards. So once you observe the things, you will make a report and send it to the concerned people to solve it immediately. That is the purpose of inspection, to solve the problems immediately, to remove the hazards immediately, and to save the industry, to save the company from the imminent danger. So that is the purpose of safety inspection. But when it comes to the audit, they are seeing the overall effectiveness of the system, and this effectiveness of system, whether it's all following the as per ISO 45001 or any other legal compliances as per the company standard. Whether the HSE compliances the company following or they are following ISO 45001, that they will verify. Then if the major non-conformity is there or non-compliances are there, they will not issue the audit. They will not issue the positive audit result. It means, so they will ask for the re-audit side. The audit. If the major non-compliances, non-conformity is there, then they will ask for the main system deviates. But here there is no that much issues. Easily they can pass the HSE inspections because safety officers daily he has to do the routine work for each and every department and make a report, and after visiting the site he will come and sit in the office and write the scheduled checklist and also report what are the corrective actions required. That corrective actions he will send to the concerned department, ask them to rectify it because of this hazards or imminent danger. But when it's come to the auditor, so they will sit after quarterly or half-yearly or annual surveillance audit side. The audit head, he will ask the company's MR, that is management representative, to attend the meeting, and the management representative and the group of team members, they attend the meeting after the audit report making. In that they will see what are the whether the audit completed and certification issued or surveillance audit also completed. No issues means no issue. Only some minor improvement potential is there, no issues. But major non-conformity, non-compliance is there, they will go for re-audit. So here the safety inspection side, what will be the output? The output is daily, weekly, monthly reports. Then what will be the audit report? The audit, the report is the key here, and also corrective action report. The corrective action report, or we can say request. So the CAR, we can call it as a CAR. So here the audit report and the CAR is the major part. Here the daily, weekly, monthly inspection report is the major part. So this is the safety inspection and audit total differences. So when you are doing the inspection, it's totally a slow process and you have to observe each and everything. But the audit side, they will see based on the classes of ISO 45000, or sometimes if HSE included means ISO 14001. So 14001, as I said, environmental management system. But when it's come to the ISO 45000, it's occupational health and safety management systems. So these two things you have to distinguish. So both the ISO 14001 and ISO 45001, both the standard what says what are the standard requirements, that standard requirements normally the auditor will audit. So that will be the safety audit. It's entirely different process from the safety inspection. That differences you must know it. So I hope you understand what is the safety inspection, what is the safety audit. That when you practicing continuously, definitely you also well versed in that safety inspection and the audit. So I hope you understand all these inspection and audit as a knowledge. Then when you are practicing, you will get more, and also when you are reading the report, then you understand more things. So that is the end of our today's sessions. So tomorrow we have permit to work systems live sessions. 3 p.m. tomorrow 3 p.m. In our HSE Mindset MM channel, we have a permit to work system live. So it's a big thing. The permit to work system, the most of the training, tutorials or training institute, they will deliver this permit to work system. So don't miss to watch that one. PTW, that is permit to work system, tomorrow 3 p.m. So don't forget it. Then still you didn't subscribe this channel, subscribe it, share it, like it, and when you are continuously subscribing, then only you can get all the videos, HSE, promotional videos, HSE, mindset, all courses. Regularly what courses we are doing, that all the courses you can get immediately. And then there are the HSE Mindset channels, live programs, and HSE Mindset update videos, everything available in our channel. Go through it and watch it, give your comments. We are continuously improving, so we need your comments for improvement. So is there any issues? Please let me know it. So don't miss it to watch the HSE Mindset MM channel. So thank you for viewing. Thank you very much.